Welcome to the future. You've just entered the game of challenges, the world's first futuristic zone where competition, technology, and opportunity all collide. Look around you. This is no ordinary waiting room. This is a digital arena powered by AI, holographic analytics, global Zoom rooms, and a referral system that never sleeps. My name is Brent Ross, creator of the famous Upside Down Umbrella. Yes, the invention that flipped an entire industry on its head. One idea changed everything. And today, you are standing inside the next big revolution. Every month, over 30,000 Americans file for new patents. That's over 1 million ideas a year. But only 7 of those who take action, those who show up, those who dare to be seen, ever get their breakthrough. So we built the 3-minute elevator pitch. Your stage, your spotlight, your moment. 3 minutes, one chance. The world is watching. Then we launched the trivia game of challenges, the only game where you can earn while you learn. It's fast-paced, it's strategic, and it pays real money. Knowledge becomes currency, speed becomes power, and your network becomes your paycheck. Now listen closely. This is where the magic happens. When you register, you receive a personal referral number. Share it everywhere. Text message, social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, email, websites. Because every person who joins using your number becomes part of your network for life. And look at the screens around you. People worldwide cashing out withdrawals, earning percentages, watching their network grow. This isn't a dream. This is happening in real time, 24 hours a day. When they win, you win. When they play, you earn. When they grow, you get paid. Right now, across the world, people are asking each other, have you heard about the new revelation? Have you joined the game of challenges yet?
Access will be limited. You must RSVP early because this global room fills up fast. Watch the calendar at gameofchallenges.com. Every hint, every clue, every countdown will lead to the biggest reveal we've ever done. So get ready to start your year with power, purpose, and surprise. Because this time, the challenge isn't just about what you know. It's about being there when the future begins. I'll see you on January 1st. RSVP now, and let's make history.